Hello, I'm Zeynep, a PhD student at the University of Kent, and I will present our research plan poster on testing a violation of expectation account of counterfactual thinking development. Counterfactual reasoning involves imagining how past could have been different, and for many years there has been an ongoing debate about when counterfactual thinking emerges in development. Past research has shown that it emerges at some point between the ages of 4 and 12, but there is no mechanical explanation of where the counterfactuals come from. Here, we propose that expectation violation plays a vital role in the early emergence of counterfactual reasoning. We hypothesize that children who encounter an unexpected event will make more reference to their past expectations as a counterfactual alternative. To test our hypothesis, we are planning to test 3 to 5 years old children, and children will play a game. For example, there is a bear and it is hidden behind one of these two boards, and children will be told that they need to hit the board with bear to win the game. Then they will choose left or right to shoot an arrow, and then the arrow begins to move. At this point, we will stop the video and ask a question: which way the arrow will go? After that, we resume the video, and the arrow will continue moving in the same direction or change its direction unexpectedly. Also, we will manipulate the outcomes. So there will be 4 trials with 2 positive outcomes and 2 negative outcomes. And all participants will be presented with 4 trials. And the outcome valence will be manipulated in a fixed order as positive, negative, positive, negative. While whether there is an expectation violation or not will be manipulated in a pseudo-randomized order. And after each trial, we will ask a series of questions while participants are looking at a blank green screen. First, we will ask our remember question: did you get the bear? And then we will ask, can you tell me what happened from beginning to end, which is our first dependent variable. And then we will ask, how could you have won or lost, which is our second dependent variable. And in addition to these questions, we will measure their pupil size over the task and also measure their retrospective eye movements when they answer test questions. And for coding, if they refer to their prior expectations, they will get 1, otherwise they will get 0. And we will use this coding for both dependent variables. For analysis, we will use generalized linear mixed effect models, and in our model, whether there is an expectation violation or not, age, outcome valence, and their interactions will be fixed effects, and participants' ID will be random effect. And we will use a similar model for pupil dilation data, but instead of expectancy variable, the models will include normalized changes in pupil size. So we will also report participants' retrospective eye movements. In summary, we propose a violation of expectation-driven counterfactual model. An expectation of violation will trigger children to keep 2 different representations in their minds spontaneously: what was expected and what happened. And also, their expected reality will be immediately available as a counterfactual antecedent. So, we claim that this cognitive process will decrease the demand on working memory, and expectation violation-driven counterfactual reasoning might be the earliest emerging form of counterfactual thinking. Thank you very much for listening to me.